Do you also suffer from boring thumbnail designs for your YouTube channel? You spend hours editing a fantastic video only to get stuck staring at a blank canvas for your thumbnail. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of AI-powered thumbnail generation, where we will create stunning thumbnail designs with just a click of button. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. The power of prompts. AI can't just magically create a masterpiece, but it can be a powerful tool to kickstart your creativity. The key is crafting a strong prompt, a clear description of what you want the AI to generate. Here's where things get interesting. Let's turn to our trusty AI assistant, ChatGPT, to help us craft the perfect prompt. Click here and start by typing, "Create an AI prompt to generate an image for my YouTube thumbnail titled Baking the Brownie." The thumbnail should be bright and colorful with a delicious looking brownie in the center. Here we have entered the title of our video along with the keywords like bright, colorful, delicious looking brownie and clear text. This gives the AI a good starting point to understand what we are looking for. Click on Send Message. It has given us a detailed prompt which we can use in our designs. So let's copy the text by clicking here. Now it's time to unleash the power of AI. Head over to ideogram.ai, a fantastic website that uses AI to generate stunning visuals. Here, we will paste our prompt and adjust some settings. We can choose from different artistic styles like photo, illustration, poster or cinematic. Now, let's choose the aspect ratio, which is obviously 16:9 in this case. And finally, click on Generate. Wait a little and see the magic happen. Look at these. The AI churned out several unique thumbnail designs based on our prompt. We have a vibrant brownie exploding with chocolate and some amazing other options to choose from. These AI-generated thumbnails are a great starting point. Just click here and download your image. Feel free to use them as is, or you can take them further with your own design software. Add your channel logo, tweak the text, or just adjust the colors to perfectly match your brand. So ditch the thumbnail struggle and embrace the power of AI. With a good prompt and the right tools, you can create eye-catching thumbnails that will grab attention and get your viewers clicking. And for more such content, do like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.